Yes, be ready. Start. A large number of people, I think majority of the people are still not affected by communal ideas. Stop. They are very much secular so far as they exercise their voting right. Stop. But here, once you accept the principle of proportional representation in our electoral system, you are encouraging communal forces. You are dividing India communally. I do not find any rationale in this idea. Stop. If we have to accept this, then, Madam Deputy Chairman, then you have to negate the history of your party. Stop. The Congress party did not get the votes of a particular section or a particular community. Stop. People voted for the Congress party on secular ideas, not on communal ideas. Stop. Therefore, it is not that idea. Stop. If that idea is there, I think it needs severe condemnation. Stop. It is you who encourage communal feelings in the electoral processes. Stop. Stanza. My friend has rightly pointed out that the concept of proportional representation is based on arithmetic might. Stop. We want proportional representation because it has been our experience that some party, particularly the Congress, has occupied majority of the seats on the basis of minority votes secured by them. Stop. Few members are elected to this house or that house or in any other electoral process securing the majority of the total votes. Stop. If you want really to judge the will of the people, if you want to have democracy based on the will of the people, the majority of the people, the present system does not fulfill that objective. Stop. You get elected. Even I get elected not on the basis of the majority of the total votes, but on the basis of the minority of the votes. Stop. I think everybody will agree that this cannot be a sound principle of democracy. Stop. I do not say that there may be means and modes of proportional representations. Stop. Stanza. There cannot be a cut and dried mode of proportional representation. Stop. What we want is that the government should accept the principle of proportional representation so that there can be reflection on the people's will proportionately. Stop. Therefore, I am rather very much disappointed with the comments made by my friend. Stop. Please allow me to make this comment. Stop. As a matter of fact, these are not at all electoral reforms. Stop. It is rather a caricature of reforms. Stop. On the other hand, this amending bill puts certain impediments on political parties in our country. Stop. I would give only two examples. Stop. One is registration. Stop. You will find there are lots of information to be given by a political party to the commission, and the political party will bound to furnish that information to the election commission. Stop. Over.